In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option General. Now click on the option Software Update. Your iPhone will check for the latest update and this may take a few moments. Once iOS 26 appears on your screen, just scroll down and tap Upgrade to iOS 26. After that, choose Update Now. Enter your passcode and agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Next, your iPhone will send an update request to Apple. Download the update and prepare it for installation. This part can take a little while, so be patient. When the download is finished, your phone may automatically reboot, but if it does not, simply return to the software update page and tap Install Now. Your iPhone will restart and begin installing iOS 26. If the option is not available over here, what you can do is launch a Safari browser, navigate to the website beta.apple.com, provide your credentials and log in to the account. You can use your Apple ID. Then click on the option Enroll your iOS device. Click on the option Open Beta Updates. Once you complete this process, you can head back to the software update page in your settings, and over here you're gonna find the latest iOS update. Just click on that and go through the process. Your software will be updated to the latest version, and that's it. This way you can easily download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.